Hello and welcome back, friends, in a very new episode of a quick harvest just of 10 days of a green leafy vegetable, that is mustard green, in a very low space at your terrace. Yes, it is possible and it is very easy. Just have a look over and learn how to do it. Take some garden soil and compost and mix it very well. Now put the mixture of the soil in a plastic bag and now lay that plastic bag on the floor like this. Cut the above portion in such way that there will be space created to sow your seed over the soil. So make some open space like this. So here I have got some mustard seeds, and you can see this much seed will be enough for my project. So sprinkle those seeds over the soil in an even way, slowly and gently, so that the seed will not be accumulated in the one place. And now sprinkle mud over it and water them thoroughly so that the seeds will settle down inside this mud in a good way. So here after 7 days you can see they have grown in a very nice way. All of the mustard seeds has grown and they are looking quite good. One thing is that you have to water them every day because that is inside that plastic bag. That's why it needs water every day. So after 10 days you can see the mustard green has grown up in a very nice way. You can see that the leaves are completely ready to be harvested. So now I'm plucking up the mustard green from the roots because this will create some space for the other mustard greens to grow up in a very nice way. So here just within 10 days I have collected a plate full of mustard greens and it looks pretty good. Cleaning the mustard greens, you should clean them thoroughly because there might be some sand or mud left on it. Now cutting off the mustard roots. So here I am left with the mustard green that I can use for my dishes. So friends, if you have any queries, please comment below. Please do share it, like it, and please do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.